2. Okay, let's go now. Thank you. Napindot. Okay. Okay, thank you, Parker, for subscribing. Okay, let's go your hoverboard. Yeah, Parker. Let's do the hoverboard.
Daddy.
I went to get Julene.
Julene.
Went to get to her friends.
Where is Pen?
In the other street.
Where is she?
Okay, come on. Okay, let's go.
What the?
Okay, oh shoot.
Oh, two.
Do you want to do your hoverboard first?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you. No, I thought the other one, hoverboard, that one.
You take this one, Pen.
No, that one, hoverboard
Mommy,
for.
will you take? Tomorrow where are we going?
Tomorrow? It's church tomorrow.
What? No, tomorrow.
Tomorrow we're gonna go church.
Next.
School Monday.
Yeah, I know bus.
Yeah, you go, bus. Oh,
Tomorrow I do a bus.
yep.
Tomorrow I do a bus.
Yeah.
Tomorrow I do a bus.
No, tomorrow's church, anak.
Tomorrow, what is this, Mom?
Oh, we'll wait for Daddy. I can't do it. Remember, it's heavy.
Daddy time.
Okay. You want me to get your toys?
Oh my God.
The little one that we just got?
No, I want the body. I'm not body. I want body. Body.
Oh, you want to do cut it. Wow.
Wow. I took time.
Okay, you want to go rest now?
No, I took time.
Why you sad? You got a new toy.
No, I want the body tea.
Okay. Maybe next time.
I take this.
Don't say that, remember? We have to be thankful.
I'll be careful and I like it.
Okay, we're not buying that then anymore.
I want to buy it.
Then don't say that words then.
And I you, duh.
Be nice. Oh, there's a flower in the middle. Oh.
Now you wet it. Now you wet it. Ha ha.
Jilana, be nice.
Ha ha, you wet it.
Oh, almost. Oh, be careful. Practice, practice. Practice nicely. Oh, be careful. Don't hurt yourself. Ni. You almost did it. You want your hoverboard then? Uh-huh. Left, right. Left, right. Left, right. Yoga.